Okay, so I've got to do 3 18-inch candy tables. And to make the table, I have to do MDF in the bottom. So I made a quick circle jig to be able to make 14-inch circles of MDF to put in there, so that way I can screw the legs in. So this is how you make a super fast circle jig out of scrap wood. Here I am I put a hole in one end that a screw will fit in, and then I measured 7 inches out to make 14 inches. So the radius is 7 inches, the diameter is going to be 14 inches. That's a 14-inch circle. So here I am just making sure that my circle is going to go inside of this MDF square, and I should be able to get 4 out of here. I am just putting the screw in so that way the board will still move. I put my pencil in the other hole, and I make my circle. This is me making sure that I have a 14-inch circle, and I do. And that's it. Like, it is super, super simple. You'll be surprised about the jigs you can make just with like most scrap in your shop. So here I'm measuring 7 inches out from the first set of circles and 7 inches from the bottom, so that way that guy will fit in there and I will have the least amount of waste as possible. Despite what people think, I try to reduce the amount of waste that I have in my shop. It doesn't make sense to have waste. It costs me money, and it costs potential clients money, and I don't do that. It's kind of a joke, but I always say I'm a frugal bee on my lives, and it kind of stuck. If you follow me, you know that that's something I say. So here I am making my fourth 14-inch circle. I'm measuring out from the first set of circles again, 7 inches. Can't do it with the eraser. All right, so I put my little dot, and then I measure 7 inches from the bottom or the top, either one. I just do it from the bottom, though. I did it from the bottom here. And put the screw in. Yeah, I'm working one-handed because I'm holding the phone in the other hand. And put the pencil in, and you should come and butt right up to the other one. So tomorrow I'm going to cut these out and start a batch of candy tables. I'm very excited. I had no idea that you guys were gonna like these as much as I enjoy making them. They are so fun to make. They're super colorful, and I don't know, I just enjoy the whole process. All right, so here's my 4 circles, and these are gonna be candy tables.